Hi and welcome to another Broadband Buyer unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at the D-Link DCS-942L day and night wireless N IP camera, which has an SD card slot and infrared illumination up to 5 meters. Let's take a look at the box. Okay, it says it's a wireless N, view and record live images 24/7. Included in the box is 16 GB micro SD card, allows you to record continuously for up to 7 days. And it also features My D-Link, so you can use the My D-Link app with your iPhone, iPad and Android device to view images and live feed. Some of the other features here. There you go, it's saying again, simple setup and access to your camera via My D-Link. It has motion detection and email alerts even in complete darkness, and you can record video and audio via a micro SD card. On the side, an easy installation diagram, and also where you can download the apps. On the side, other side, system requirements, dimensions, connections, functionality, and package contents, which we'll take a look at in a moment, and the warranty there, 2-year warranty. On the back, again, you've got some more benefits, and there's also a setup diagram. Let's take a look inside the box. Straight away there we have a D-Link info pack. We've got the installation CD, a warranty and safety information pamphlet, and also a declaration of conformity. There's a little flyer there on how you can win an iPad 2. You've got the D-Link GPL code statement, and also a little bit of information about the micro SD card. And lastly, a quick installation guide. There's a few pages on how to set up. You've got the product setup, system requirements, and it also tells you how to set up the WPS. Take out the camera itself, and there it is. It's got a base. It's actually detachable as well, and the base is for it so it can be freestanding. And the other bits in the box. Got a power supply, connect that bit in there, camera, and also a 1 meter Ethernet cable as well. And there's a small bag of screws and wall plugs, because you can actually mount this on the ceiling or on the wall, as well as having it just freestanding. Let's take a look at the back of the camera. So behind that sticker is Ethernet ports and also the power. And then if we just tilt that to one side and just zoom in, if you can see on the left hand side, so here we have the power status indicator. Below that we have a reset button and then below that is the WPS LED indicator, and once again below that is the actual WPS button. Okay, on the side we have a micro SD slot which has the micro SD inside, and then on the front we've got at the top we've got the motion detection sensor, then we've got a PIR sensor, and also these infrared LEDs, the camera lens itself, and then there's a small microphone as well. So that's the D-Link DCS-942L day and night wireless N IP camera. For more information, please visit www.broadbandbuyer.co.uk. Thanks for watching.